Understanding the phrase, tip the pitch, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, tip the pitch. It's a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English communication skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and origins together. Tip the pitch is an idiomatic expression that originates from the world of baseball. In baseball, when a pitcher tips the pitch, it means they are unintentionally revealing what type of pitch they are about to throw, usually through a subtle sign or a habitual movement. This gives the batter an advantage because they can anticipate and prepare for the pitch. In everyday English, tip the pitch is used metaphorically. It means to unintentionally reveal information or give someone a hint or clue about something that was supposed to be a secret or surprise. For instance, if someone hints at a surprise party they are planning, they are tipping the pitch. 1. When she mentioned cake, she totally tipped the pitch about the surprise party. 2. Be careful not to tip the pitch about the new product launch during the meeting. Understanding the historical and cultural context of this phrase enhances its usage. The phrase's roots in baseball highlight its American origin, reflecting how sports can influence language. It's a great example of how idiomatic expressions often stem from specific cultural contexts and then evolve into broader usage. And that's a wrap on Tip the Pitch. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this intriguing phrase. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the stories and cultures behind them. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.